Have you ever felt a sharp crack inside you? A moment when something precious, something you put your heart into, breaks apart? When the pieces scatter, leaving you with a hollow ache, wondering if you can ever feel whole again? This is a story about finding beauty in those broken places. May's hands, usually busy with clay and water, froze. Her best creation, a vase shining with the color of 1,000 sunsets, lay in pieces on the workshop floor. A tremor ran through her. Years of work, a piece meant for the emperor's collection, now worthless dust. Her breath caught, a raw sound in the quiet room. She grabbed a broom, sweeping the fragments into a pile, filled with anger and despair. Each scrape of bristles against stone echoed her frustration. Useless, she muttered, kicking at a larger piece. Her gaze fell on the pile, a mountain of jagged edges. A glint of gold caught her eye. It was a faint memory, a story her grandmother once told, a technique from ancient times. Kintsugi, repairing with gold. She hesitated, her fingers tracing the fine lines of a broken shard. Doubt nagged at her. Could something so shattered ever be beautiful again? The task felt monumental, impossible. She picked up a fragment, its sharp edge biting into her skin, a tiny sting. It was a test of patience, a slow, careful act. Days turned into nights. May walked, not out of anger, but with quiet determination. She meticulously gathered each piece. Her steady hands applied lacquer, then dusted fine gold powder on the broken edges. Each golden vein, once a scar, now became a bright river flowing across the vase's surface. The delicate lines highlighted the breaks, not hiding them, but celebrating them. The golden seams caught the light, transforming the vase. It wasn't just repaired, it was reborn. It shone, a testament to resilience, more radiant than before. May held the finished vase. Its golden threads whispered a truth she now understood. Life's cracks, the moments we feel most broken, are not flaws to hide. When we mend them with kindness, patience, and the courage to embrace our scars, we become stronger, more unique, and more beautiful. Our imperfections do not diminish us, they reveal our true, resilient beauty. What shatters can be remade, not into what it was, but into something even more profound. If this story touched your heart, stay with us for more soul stirring stories.